In this video, I'll show how to add a professional clickable email signature in the Outlook mobile app on both iPhone and Android. I'll also show you how to keep the same signature across your phone, desktop, and the Outlook web app. Let's do it. First, we need to create the clickable email signature with the link and images. I have this video on how to create clickable email signatures for Outlook and other email services. You can watch the video to see the step-by-step guide. I'll add the link in the video description. This is the website where you can create clickable email signatures for Outlook. It provides an HTML code which you need to add to your Outlook desktop. I already had the signature added in my Outlook desktop. Now we want to add the same signature to the Outlook mobile app on both iOS and Android. For that, we need to send an email with the signature so we can copy it on the mobile app. I'll send the email now. First, let's see the process for Outlook on iOS. I'll go to Sent Items. I can see the email with the signature. I'll tap the signature and tap the Select All option. Now I'll copy the signature. Next, I'll go to the Settings option. Here I'll tap on Signature. If you have multiple accounts added to the Outlook mobile app, make sure you select the right one. This is the account where I want to add the signature. If you have anything here, delete that first. Then long press to get the paste option. It looks good here. Finally, tap the tick icon to save the signature. Now, whenever you compose a new email on the Outlook mobile app, the email signature will be added automatically. You now have the same signature on your Outlook desktop and the Outlook mobile app for iOS. Next, let's add the clickable email signature to the Outlook app on Android. I'll open the sent email. I'll select the signature here. I'll tap Select All and copy. Now open Settings, tap on Signatures. Here I'll paste the signature. Now the signature looks broken here, but don't worry. It looks broken only in the settings preview. When you actually compose an email, it will be displayed correctly. Let me show you. Tap the tick button to save the signature. Now compose a new email and the signature is here with the correct format. Everything is working. Now let's add the same signature to Outlook Web. This method works for new Outlook desktop as well. I'll open the sent email. Here I can see the signature we sent earlier. I'll select and copy it. Now on the Outlook web, I'll click this gear icon to open the settings. Here I'll select Account and Signatures. Here I'll add a new signature, add signature. I'll give it a name and I'll paste the copied signature here. The email signature looks good. I'll check these options to enable for new messages, replies and forwards. And finally I'll click the Save option. Now, when I compose a new email on the Outlook web, I can see the exact same signature with the links and other formatting. Make sure to watch this video to learn how to create an HTML signature and add it to Outlook desktop. I also have some other email signature videos on the channel. The links are in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.